Igbo abumono, what is a curse? Now, a curse is an expression of anger, a pronouncement of doom or evil on a person. An expression of anger. When somebody is angry, when you make your parents, your ancestors, the people around you, even somebody subjugated, the person could, out of anger, leave a pronouncement. We curse people by the pronouncement of the words of our mouths. This is how a curse comes into reality. So abumono, a curse is an expression of anger, a pronouncement of doom or evil on a person. It is made with the intention to bring misfortunes, illness, bad luck to an individual, a group, or a lineage. The whole essence of Igbo abumono, what is a curse? Now, a curse is an expression of anger, a pronouncement of doom.